Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a photo gallery to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile and then you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the new post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. And in the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of how you can actually go and add photo gallery to Blogger. So basically, first of all, what you need to do is go and click on a new post, or if you have already got a post, you can go and click on here. Then here you need to go and insert an image. For instance, you have to go and insert images because you want a gallery. Go and click on this button here, insert image, then upload from computer, photos, Blogger, or by URL. Then you can go and click on from computer, for instance, as I will do. Then click browse, and then click on the image that you want to upload. Then when you want to upload another image, you go do the same thing. Just a second, you can now edit the image, as you can see. So I'll put it here, click browse again, click desktop again, and click on image. And now you'll have multiple images here. As you can see, you can go and change them, move them around, and make a gallery with them. You can go and click on them to move them around, etc., etc. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.